baking soda.
So we have shampoo and conditioner and wash and water and I forgot the name. Hold on. Baking soda and dish detergent. So and toothpaste. So let's get started. Don't put the baking soda.
Okay, all good. You need conditioner.
Okay, this is the detergent.
Okay, you need toothpaste.
No, you see that guy. So dish detergent. Then you need some toothpaste.
Pull your cup back, Kayla. I can't see.
Okay, dish detergent. No, and okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. And then you need some shampoo,
Conditioner.
conditioner.
You need the water source on man.
Wait, no, you gotta wait.
Let him do his how he want to do it.
Alright, go ahead. Do yours how you want to do yours. I'm doing not how I want to do mine.
You need Mr. Needle.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll make a good side. A good side.
That's enough, Marquise.
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, you miss. Oh.
Enough of the baking soda.
Okay. You need this.
More water, please. He's holding the water.
Here we go.
A little bit more baking soda on the top. I'll put my water in mine.
I cannot see yours.
Now it's our guys.
See yours, Keys.
Mine's
No
better.
more water. You're not gonna make it gooey. Like that's
Water.
it.
I need
That's
water.
it. That's it.
Okay, you good. Okay.
A little bit of this in here.
Okay, yeah. Yours gonna be so cool, Kesey.
Yours can be good too. Okay. Okay, let me do it.
Look at mine look, guys.
Mine's
I'll put a
good.
dab of water in mine. That's enough of water.
And you need this.
Stop, Marquise. That's too much.
Okay, good. This. You need this. That sounds gonna be better. You need it.
You can help him stir his.
Okay, Sean. Okay, you missed
The
it.
future is the language I live by, building a better world. And I'm passing it on to kids like
Enough for me. And now I'm just gonna stir mine up. Oh, right now.
My side better, guys.
My slime is better actually.
I'm sorry, guys. I thought it would be me. See you guys. I bet trying to be better. Oh, good. My sound be picky. Make a sound. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.